Forecast for today, starting out this morning with a lot of sunshine. We'll slowly build in some clouds throughout the afternoon with a few isolated showers, but the better opportunity for rainfall will arrive this evening, up to a 60% coverage of rain. More rain tomorrow as we look towards Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we have impact weather because of heavy rainfall that arrives for the holiday weekend. And then on Monday, another round of showers and thunderstorms, high temperatures in the middle 80s to the low 90s. Megan.
Getting a final check of traffic this morning. Kellianne, there is a crash in Ocala. This is getting off of the I-75 southbound ramp to Highway 326. It involves this 18-wheeler here this morning, just blocking part of the ramp and the shoulder. So not a big impact to your morning drive, but if you're traveling in Ocala, I did want to mention that this morning. Again, right at Highway 326. This is a live picture we double shot from our chopper up and cruising live here over I-4. They are traveling towards Universal, heading westbound this morning. No issues there for your morning drive. And in downtown Orlando, we're also waking up to a great sunrise for your Tuesday morning. This is a live look passing by Lake Ivanhoe. So far, no heavy delays in either direction and no need to hop in those express lanes for your Tuesday morning drive.
Although, time for a traffic check. Megan, good morning.
Good morning, Sonica. There's a crash here, Colonial Drive, right at the Orange Blossom Trail. It's impacting those eastbound drivers traveling towards I-4. So some delays here on the map. We do have a camera in this area and traffic is getting by, but it is stop and go moving through this area. So just expect a bit of a delay there. No need for a detour. Kellianne, how's the forecast looking for our Tuesday?
Starting off this morning with a lot of sunshine and then looking ahead to the afternoon and evening, we will have a few showers and thunderstorms. But at least right now, if you're heading out to any of our local attractions, beaches, you don't need that rain gear yet. You will need it this afternoon, but more so this evening, 5, 6, 7 o'clock as we track showers and thunderstorms with high temperatures today in the upper 80s and low 90s. We have more rain on the way tomorrow than widespread showers and thunderstorms for the holiday weekend.
Right. I'm Jason Guy. We're bringing in first warning traffic expert Meaghan Mackey, who is with us in the studio. And Meaghan, tell us a little bit about how this toll hike is going to impact us all.
Yeah, well, the Central Florida Expressway Authority, Jason, is raising the price of tolls between 2 and 5 cents starting today. If you look at the toll signs, you will notice an increase of between 2 and 5 cents for each road segment. Again, that was effective this morning. Now, this will only be on Central Florida expressways, including State Road 408, State Road 429, State Road 417, as well as parts of the Beach Line. E-Pass customers can save up to 25% on tolls as a part of the volume toll discount program. And heading out the door this morning, you can see here there is a crash along Colonial Drive. It's right at Orange Blossom Trail. Just a minor delay here traveling towards the I-4 interchange. Kellianne, for the most part, those roads nice and dry for your Tuesday morning commute.
This morning is also going to stay dry all morning long, but we can rule out a few isolated showers in the afternoon hours, 1, 2, 3 o'clock. A few showers, otherwise mostly sunny. I think the better opportunity for rainfall will be this evening, and our high temperatures today reach the upper 80s and low 90s. You factor in just a slight humidity, it's going to feel a lot more like 97 degrees this afternoon instead of 91 degrees. Central Florida's certified most accurate forecast shows more rain tomorrow and Thursday as a cold front moves in. That front stalls out over the area on Friday, increasing our rainfall, then watching an area of low pressure Saturday and Sunday. We are waking up to mostly clear conditions and temperatures into the 70s already. Now today we're going to warm up very quickly into the 90s. This morning we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. Then looking ahead to the afternoon, 1 or 2 isolated showers. And that better opportunity for rainfall is going to be this evening, 5, 6, 7 o'clock. We'll be tracking scattered rain and thunderstorms. So again, high temperatures today, upper 80s and low 90s with rain arriving this weekend, this evening, and then we'll have more rain arriving this weekend. But at least for today, temperatures stay under that feels like temperature of 100 degrees. Looking ahead to your holiday weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we track widespread rain and storms.
Or as we've got with us our first warning traffic expert Meaghan Mackey, along with first warning meteorologist Kellianne Klass. And all eyes are on this 4th of July forecast, Kellianne.
Yeah, we are going to be tracking rain as well, at least for this morning. That morning commute is nice and dry. And if you are heading out to maybe some of our attractions today, just have that poncho with you. We will track some showers and thunderstorms later on in the day. Not going to be an all-day washout, but just know some rain is in the forecast. Right now, we're at 73 degrees here in Orlando, 76 already in Leesburg and the Villages. We're at 75 degrees in Wildwood. Titusville, it is 77 degrees in Melbourne, and we're at 73 degrees in St. Cloud. This afternoon, we're warming up into the upper 80s and low 90s, feeling a lot more like the middle 90s for many. And we'll start off with sunshine, some clouds throughout the afternoon with a few isolated showers developing. But I do think that better rainfall chance will be this evening, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, as we track scattered rain and storms. And looking ahead to tomorrow, there's a cold front that moves through. This front's going to be slow moving. It's going to bring us heavier rainfall tomorrow, Thursday, and then stall out over the area on Friday. We'll talk much more about this stalled front and what it means for your weekend plans coming up in a few minutes. First, though, it's 8:31. Let's get over to First Warning traffic expert Meaghan Mackey.
Kellianne, this is a live look in Ocala at I-75 near the southbound ramp to Highway 326. You can see here a crash from earlier, almost clear. This blocking off the ramps. I was mentioning this over on WESH 2 in the 6 o'clock hour. It is still working to clear as of 8:30 this morning. So just a bit of a delay there, but traffic is still getting by and none of those lanes are impacted. I'm also still monitoring some congestion this morning along State Road 408. No crashes, but you can see here westbound between State Road 417 and I-4. Those slowdowns are sitting at about 13 minutes.